I know what will be my new Thanksgiving morning and Christmas morning casserole. This one right here. Quality time with my kids is number one. Breakfast time this morning, it's me and Axel. The ladies are still asleep, so we're going to make a warm, hearty, good breakfast. And it's going to be good. It's going to be tasty. It's going to be yummy, yummy, yummy in our tummies. So preheat that at 350. Come along with Axel and I. We're making a cracked casserole.
Prep time.
So what we have here today,
Cheese.
we got cheese,
Yeah.
sausage, and bacon.
Bacon. And
This is pepper jack cheese.
pepper jack cheese.
This is its cousin, Kobe. We have a block of creme cheese, 8 ounces of cream cheese. We have some heavy cream, salt, pepper, red chili flakes, a little bit of butter. So let's get this started. We also want to grab some ranch seasoning. I have spicy ranch seasoning. You also want to grab some sour cream. And I replaced the heavy whipping cream with some regular milk. Got our cream cheese. What we're going to do, we're going to go ahead and take out our creme cheese. Cream cheese. Cream cheese. My hash browns weren't de-thawed because I didn't set them out in time. So I just heated them up because I don't need them cooked all the way through for what I'm going to do. I just wanted to get them to where they were de-thawed. If you want to get the shredded hash browns, you can. If you want to get a potato and make your own, it's whatever. However you want to do it. We don't judge, do we, Axel? Let's make it a fork. And we're going to start working these down. We're going to break these little hash browns all apart. I want to thank y'all for all the prayers and wishes and thoughts for my wife. She is doing a little bit better. She was doing good. Not so good today. Hopefully we'll find out some more stuff today. But I do appreciate all your thoughts and prayers for her. It really means a lot to all of us. And you guys are just truly amazing. Let me get my cheese. I'm just going to work my cheese on in there. I'm going to put some of my ranch seasoning in. No pizza bone. Silly goofy goober. A little bit of salt. Oh, that tickles my nose. Pepper. I'm just going to mix that up with it. All right, so now that we have all that mixed up, I just realized when I turned around, I forgot to add the sour cream. We got to add the sour cream. So we're going to do a half a cup of sour cream. Yeah. Think that's enough? So then we're just going to start mixing that on in with our potatoes. You get your hash brown. This is Axel's favorite part, and he's actually really good at it. Fingers crossed.
Put a little oil.
There you go. Then pull it. Yep. Good job. And you want to go hard. See? I'm just going to take my fork and I'm just going to start breaking those yolks down. So in with our eggs. So in with our eggs, I'm gonna add my pepper. Good morning, baby. Some salt. And then some red chili flakes. Because I love red chili flakes.
Me too.
In with our eggs, we're going to add a little bit of milk. About 1/4 a cup. Time to get our sausage and our bacon cooked down for this casserole. I got my heated glad pan here for my sausage. Because it's going to brush it down with a little avocado oil. My sausage patties here. I'm going to getting hot. It don't take this heated glad very long to get hot, which is why I love it. So I'm gonna get my smasher. Go ahead and start breaking this sausage on down. That's the type of consistency you're looking for. Pull this off the heat. I did set my sausage off to the side and put it in a towel to kind of collect that grease, or a paper towel to kind of collect that grease. And I'm just gonna go ahead and put in with my potato mixture. Just gonna mix that sausage on up. Grab my bacon. This is like a loaded baked potato breakfast casserole kind of thing almost. To get all that mixed up, we're just going to go ahead and butter our pan. Make sure it's well buttered. And then we're just going to pour it in. We're going to kind of create like some levees in here. So when you pour your eggs in, they have some room to go. So we're going to pour our eggs in just like that. You know, kind of get them all around there in the little areas. I might poke some little holes throughout that casserole. Just give those eggs a chance to grow, go all the way through there. We want them to go through the casserole. Just poke some holes throughout. Doesn't have to be pretty. Then take the leftover, my colby, the cousin of pepper, and put it right on top. This 8 ounces. We're going to add a little parsley for some color. I just started thinking about it, and some peppers would probably go really good in this. Peppers would probably go really good in this. Kind of wish I would have put peppers in it now. Maybe you can try it. Let me know. Into your oven, 350 degrees. This is looking wonderful, 10 out of 10. So the only thing to do left is let's eat. Oh, look at that. If you were going to tell me when I made this morning and come out looking like this, child, and see if looks are deceiving or if it's that good. I know what will be my new Thanksgiving morning and Christmas morning casserole. This one right here. Any holiday casserole where I'm going to have people coming over, I'm making this. Cream cheese comes through, but it's swiftly taken over by like the ranch seasoning, the pepper jack. Then you get a sausage and the egg. And it's just literally a party explosion of flavors with every bite. Make this, y'all. I promise you will not regret it. I'm going to go try not to eat the entire thing. I'm going to bring my mom some, and y'all have a blessed day. Thank y'all so much for your love and support. Thank y'all so much for literally blowing up my Thanksgiving video that I did with my mom. We greatly appreciate it. We really wanted to do that video, and we were excited to do it. And thank y'all so much for all your thoughts and prayers for my wife. Keep her in your thoughts and prayers. We're still going through some stuff, so I would greatly appreciate all your thoughts and prayers. We love y'all. We thank y'all for being here. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe, and hit that bell notification to get notified every time we post a video. Thank y'all so much, and we'll catch you in the next one. Peace.